Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the PEPCAT token. Now this token is trending number 6 right now on DEX tools. It is actually up 217,000% right now, and it's also trending right here on DEX Screener. And yeah, we're going to go over the information on the PEPCAT token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So this token actually just came out 6 hours 41 minutes ago. Brand new token. That's when their pool was created on RAYFIUM. It's actually trending number 1 right now on DEX Screener, and like I said, trending also on DEX Tools number 6. Now, yeah, it's up 215,000%. You can find their Telegram at SolPepCat. 1,007 subscribers on there. You could preview the channel. That's a great place to see updates regarding the project. If you go over to their webpage, pepcatsol.com, you'll find a link to buy from RAYFIUM, DEX Tools, DEX Screener chart, CoinGecko listing. They have a Twitter, Telegram. All the links are on their webpage. So basically, this is a Solana meme token. So if you wanted to buy this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that holds Sol tokens, so like a Phantom wallet or a Solflare wallet. And you would fund that wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find RAYFIUM, and then trade your Sol for the PEPCAT token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, pepcatsol.com. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics here, but we'll have a look to see if there is. So it says Pep the cat is the patron saint of meme markets. PEPCAT's design is based on Apu and sometimes Pepe the Frog, created in a cat style. This variant is often posted on 4chan, Bizboard, and Apu as two sides of the trading market. So it says LP burnt, mint revoked, and it does say 0% tax. So you will not have to set slippage if you're buying or selling this token. Now it says, how do I buy Pepe the Cat? And it goes through step by step on their webpage using a Phantom wallet and RAYFIUM wallet. If you didn't understand how I explained it earlier, you could just follow the steps right on their webpage. And yeah, contract address is on there and everything like that. So potentially you could get this token off Jupiter as well, and then maybe ORCA, maybe some central exchange listings in the future. They are trending still number 1. Number 2 is the PER token, and I believe I'll probably do a video on that token as well. So stay tuned for that one. But that one's trending number 2, up 8,000%. This one is up over 209,000% right now in the past 24 hours. They have a 24-hour trading volume for the PEPCAT token of $11.9 million in 24-hour trading volume. This pair was just created within the last 7 hours. They have the webpage, Twitter, and Telegram, all linked on DEX Screener. So if you're looking for links, DEX Screener's a good place to find it. Just make sure you have the right PEPCAT token, obviously. So let's get to some security on this token here. So first thing I noticed, it says here that they have locked and burned liquidity. So they have $155,000 in liquidity on Rayfium, and there is a lock symbol on DEX Screener, and it says 99.44% of the tokens are locked on Rayfium, and 99.44% of the supply of liquidity is burnt. So that's great to see. Market cap right now is $2.7 million. That's also their FDV. Now, token price is around one quarter of a penny or so, USD. And yeah, they did have ads too on DEX Screener. They had some ads on there that probably helped it get to number one. And also, they have 4,690 holders so far, according to DEX Tools. It's obviously pretty volatile right now since it just came out. So just be aware of that. Price is going to fluctuate like crazy right now. It says there is a total supply of 1 billion tokens, and that is also the circulating supply. Now we could check their Sol scan here, and it says there's a little bit less than that actually. So it's a deflationary token, and right now the supply is at 999,957,551 tokens, and there's 6 decimal places on this token. PEPCAT, all one word, is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. And yeah, so they have a DEX score of 94 out of 99, so a good DEX score. They got a 100% community trust score, and that's out of 33 votes. And they have on DEX Tools, you could always find well, not always, but most of the time you could find at least one quick audit. So this audit was done by Quick Intel Security, and they just go over a few things. You can find it on DEX Tools, and it says contract is verified, no honeypot, owner cannot mint new tokens, tax is not modifiable, and then it also says no other risks. So keep in mind, just because their quick audit is good and the liquidity pool is mostly locked, they don't have a full audit, they don't have a team docs, you know, they don't have a lot of things that you would hope for that you could go over for security. So just keep that in mind. It's, you know, although it's good, it's not like all the security that we need to go over, like a full CERTIC and hack-in audit and team docs, KYC, all that type of stuff. So I don't see any big red flags, but I also am just saying there's still going to be risks. So keep that in mind. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And if you want to help support the channel, you can hit that join button. And thank you to everybody who's been hitting the join button. Really appreciate that. And pretty soon I'll probably upload some members only videos if you're interested. So yeah, thanks for watching everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.